Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making custard apple pudding. This is very simple dish but very tasty dessert. So for this we need custard apple, sugar, soaked rice, dry fruit and milk. Firstly take a pan, add around 50 grams of soaked rice. I have soaked it in water for around 50 minutes. Now add 1 liter of milk. Now in a blender, take custard apple, add little milk and gently churn it for 1 to 2 seconds only. Now take a big strainer, add this pulp, remove the seed and your custard apple pulp is ready. Our rice is cooking in milk, it's thickened up. Now add sugar as per your taste. Remember custard apple is quite sweet, so add less sugar. Now add the pulp. Mix it well and switch off the induction. Now take small bowls. Take 2 to 3 teaspoons of custard apple pudding. Garnish it with custard apple pulp, some dry fruits, watermelon seed and chopped mixed dry fruits, cashew nut. Now refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours and serve it chilled. So your very simple and very delicious dessert custard apple pudding is ready. So try this recipe, and for daily such interesting recipes please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.